Hello, ma'am.
Hello.
Ma'am, can you please introduce about yourself and your name and from which school you're from?
I'm Lalita Cursive, the principal of Excel Global School, Kannanagar, Chennai.
Great, ma'am. Ma'am, so at Callistyle, our team came to the school and conducted handwriting classes for a few months. So how was your experience, ma'am? How did you feel about our course, and did you feel that there was improvement in students' handwriting?
Really, I feel really very happy to share this experience. Our children improved a lot. They have trained for 3 months. The handwriting is considerably improved. Consistent improvement shown from grade 1 till the higher class. And I really have to be thankful to the tutor, the trainer, Miss Meenakshi, for her patientful service. Even though some children are little distracted, she grabbed the attention of everyone and see to that they have learned proper handwriting.
Okay. So you have seen improvement in students?
Definitely.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And if you need any help, we can come and give them an extra practice and revision as well. So
definitely,
we would always there.
I'm really thankful to Meghna also for taking initiative and consistent support for everyday's classes and see to that the children is shown progress. Thank you so much.
So would you refer us to other schools, ma'am? If you
Definitely.
Thank you so much. So thank you so much for your amazing review, ma'am. It means a lot for us, and we will definitely support you throughout. Even if you need any help, assistance, again we can come and give a revision practice to the students. And please consistently make them also practice, ma'am, so that they don't forget what they've learned. So please make sure that they write every day. Yeah.
And in case if there is a need of practice, we will definitely call you and keep in touch with you.
Definitely. Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, can you please also talk about the assessment that we conducted for handwriting at school for your students? Can you please highlight about it?
Yes. Actually, assessment is very much essential for every learning. The same way, even handwriting also, our children wrote the assessment, and the best students got a certificate as well as a small complimentary gift also. It's a motivation for all of our children so that they keep improving their handwriting in future also.
Yes, ma'am. How did they? Yes, ma'am. How did they write, ma'am? You've checked their assessment paper.
Yes, ma'am. As I told you, there's a considerable improvement shown in their handwriting before starting the handwriting course and during the course, and at the assessment there is a considerable change in their handwriting.
Amazing. And how are they writing in the classworks, ma'am? Have you seen?
They continue writing the same way, because as we instructed, the educators also they follow the same. So educators of all the subjects are following them.
Amazing, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.